Should you move out of the house if you know you're going to file for divorce? My name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman and Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues here in Michigan, and today we're going to continue our video series designed to educate and inform the public, so please subscribe to our channel. The issue of whether or not you should move out is a multifaceted issue. You see, on the one hand, there's no notion that if you move, you lose. So there's no idea that if you leave the house, you've abandoned your property and therefore you can't get it. So there's nothing forcing you to stay. You'll still have your property interest in that home, even if you depart before or during the divorce. So it's not about can you, the question is should you? Okay? So you got to understand one thing. If you want to preserve the domestic tranquility because, there's, God forbid, domestic violence or abuse, move out. Protect yourself. Don't worry about the house. That'll be secure. The question, though, and this is where it becomes delicate, is what are we doing with the kids? If there are children and you want to move out because of abuse, and you have any notion that you want to be able to get custody of those kids, you better take them with you. Because if you don't, you're going to have to explain why you moved out in the first place and left your kids. And if you're going to say because there's an abusive father there, then why would you leave the kids with the abusive father? And if you're going to, so what'll happen is the court might not think that you care about your kids, or the court might think that the story about abuse really has no traction, because if it really was abuse, who would leave their kids in an abusive situation? So it's really going to hurt your credibility down the road in a later custody case if you move without the kids. Now, if you move and you take the kids with you, well, then it's a whole nother story. Then you've got the basis to say, look, it's an abusive situation. We all moved out. I want custody because of the abuse. The kids are living with me anyway, so give me a temporary order of custody. That way we maintain the status quo, and your position is that much stronger. So should you move out of the home is going to be a question of strategy. I would say if there's abuse, if there's something going on, you can't tolerate it, the police are involved, take yourself out of the situation. If you can do it, move out. But understand the dynamic of doing that if there's children involved. If you have any questions about that, reach out, and we'll be glad to help you out.